Wait a minute, what part of the game is this? This man is drive-by, walk-by, ass licking. I ain't never seen some shit like this in my life. Shorty dropped her vaccination card. He says she clean? Say less. What part of the game is this, bro? Homie done transmogrified into a Lickitung. He a normal Pokemon, walking around, trying to make it seem as if he a human, wearing Eagles jerseys and New York fitteds. Get him the hell up out of here, bro. That's a scary combination. Put him in prison, lock him up with a goddamn straitjacket on. He's a menace to society. He thrives off negativity, unscrupulous kind of actions, alright? Machiavellian intent. He need to get the fuck up out of here, bro. There is no way this man is not diseased up. This ain't his first rodeo. Ain't no way you just licking random ass cheeks, alright? Licking random gluteal clefts by, oh, it's just an off chance. I just feel like I want to do this today. This man is a repeat offender, bruh. Check his tongue for all kinds of diseases. He might have started the goddamn COVID disease, bruh. Put this man in all kinds of prisons, man. Castrate him. Cut every piece of his limbs off. He need to just be a quadriplegic torso by the time he get done with his goddamn trial, son. Get this motherfucker off the streets. Tell him to put his motherfucking head back down, but not into some motherfucking ass, bro. This man dirty. I thought we was brothers against eating ass, and he happened to have my complexion out there licking people's gluteal clefts, bruh. Strip him of his color, strip him of his race, bro. You now an albino Mexican. That kid, it don't matter, son. Get the fuck up out of here, son. You nasty motherfucker, you.